Every hour, thousands of iPhones are assembled and manufactured in these factories. Robotic machines move with microscopic precision. Glass is fused with metal, and chips are placed in their designated locations. But there are hidden truths that no one knows. Yes, these devices look extremely perfect, but ultimately, not all of them will leave here intact. Some will be quietly halted. Some will be disassembled. Some will never be opened again. These are the unseen realities of every factory. The real question isn't how iPhones are made. It's why some never make it to shipment or sale. And ultimately, the reason might surprise you. If you're ready, let's begin. This challenging process begins long before the assembly line, starting in the mine and then moving to the factory. Rare earth elements are separated and processed. At this stage, nothing resembles a phone yet, but the initial screening begins here. If the initial material here fails, that phone will never exist. And we would never see these flaws. Thus, the entire production process begins here. Now the components and numerous chips begin to assemble. Robotic arms operate with tolerances smaller than a grain of sand, because camera modules must be perfectly aligned and seated precisely. Even a 0.02 millimeter deviation causes significant damage. You won't notice it. The human eye can't see it, but the system finds it and immediately flags your mistake. There are no second chances. But alignment alone is not the reason for the phone's rejection. At first glance, the screen may appear flawless, but upon closer inspection, machines analyze every pixel. Color and brightness balances are thoroughly scanned. At this stage, even a single dead pixel, a single uneven light, or a small distortion can cause the device to be rejected. That's why machines never make mistakes. Finally, the device is subjected to controlled structural stress. The frame moves slightly, and the solder points are tested under vibration. Although most phones pass this stage, some fail silently. There are no cracks, no damage, but a silent signal is received, and the marked devices do not proceed further. However, this is not a common reason for rejection. There is another stage that rejects damaged devices. Watch carefully.
The battery undergoes extreme thermal and power stress, ensuring stability even under the most demanding conditions.
This is precisely where true perfection is challenged. Automatic robot scanners examine the outer surface, and small microscopic scratches that are normally invisible to the naked eye become clearly visible here. Even if the phone works perfectly, a small cosmetic flaw will disqualify it. This stage eliminates far more devices than most people realize. And the phones that pass this stage look completely normal, meaning they are invisible to the naked eye. Devices flagged as defective by the automated system are set aside and diverted to a sideline. They do not proceed to packaging. Some are disassembled for reusable parts and recalibrated, while others are completely removed from production. This is where production speed and attention meet absolute standards. There is no margin for error here. That's why there is a loss here without dozens of devices. So what exactly causes the final rejection? Let's look at some real examples now. This device passed assembly, structural testing, and screen calibration testing. However, it failed the final optical inspection. This is because a microscopic scratch appeared near the camera ring. This structural deviation, which is less than 0.1 millimeters, may be invisible to us, but it is a very critical defect for the factory. Yes, these phones work, but they are not exactly perfect.
Send these to Station 3 for screen replacement.
Yes, thousands of iPhones are produced every day, every hour. But only robust devices that meet all standards leave the factory and are distributed. Because in mass production, perfection is not an option, it is an absolute necessity. Stay tuned for more.
That's good, set it down. Clear for departure. Safe travels.